Nature has given us powerful ingredients that not only heal but also transform. Today, we're diving into a magical trio: shea butter, castor oil, and peppermint oil. Together, they form a nourishing blend that can restore hair, soothe the scalp, and deeply hydrate skin. If you've been looking for an affordable, natural solution to your beauty routine, stay tuned till the end. Welcome back to Skin and Health. Please like, share, and subscribe to help grow the channel. I promise to always come with skin and health promoting contents. Let's start with shea butter, the queen of natural moisturizers. Extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, it's packed with fatty acids and vitamins A, E, and F. Shea butter works like a natural sealant, locking in moisture, healing dry patches, and even reducing inflammation. For hair, it's a protective shield against breakage, dryness, and heat damage. For skin, it softens, smoothens, and calms irritation. Next is castor oil, thick, rich, and powerful. Known for its ability to stimulate hair growth, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which boosts circulation to the scalp. This means healthier hair follicles, reduced hair shedding, and faster growth. It's also antibacterial and antifungal, making it excellent for dandruff and scalp infections. For skin, castor oil works as a natural cleanser, pulling out dirt while keeping your skin hydrated. And then we have peppermint oil, the energizer of the trio. Just a few drops stimulate blood flow, giving you that cooling, tingling sensation on your scalp. Studies show peppermint oil can even promote hair growth, almost like a natural fertilizer for your hair. Plus, it helps reduce itching, dryness, and irritation, leaving both hair and skin refreshed. Individually, these ingredients are powerful. But when you blend them, they complement each other perfectly. Shea butter acts as the base, deeply moisturizing. Castor oil strengthens and thickens, while peppermint oil stimulates and refreshes. The result? A balanced formula that hydrates, protects, and revives your hair and skin naturally. Here's how to make your own shea butter plus castor oil plus peppermint oil blend at home. Scoop 1/2 cup of raw shea butter into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Whip or melt them together until smooth. Add 5 to 7 drops of peppermint oil. Mix well and store in a clean jar. Use it as a scalp treatment, hair mask, or body butter. Apply a small amount to your scalp and massage gently, or rub into dry skin for instant relief. This simple, all-natural blend is affordable, easy to make, and incredibly effective. If you've struggled with hair thinning, dandruff, or dry skin, shea butter, castor oil, and peppermint oil might just become your new best friends. Would you try this blend? Comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more natural beauty